Hey everyone, I am in Miami, Florida, about to set sail on the Norwegian Encore for a 7-night Eastern Caribbean cruise. So excited. Stay tuned.
Oh god, that sounds awesome.
So you know how in Vegas they have those trucks that go up and down the strip with ads? Here in Port of Miami, there is a boat that is advertising as we are sailing out of the port. That is, I've never seen that before. That is so cool. But here are some other boats that we are passing. We're about to hit South Beach. So we've got a lot more traffic. I don't know what that is. It's either a private yacht or a dinner boat, something like that.
Oh, that's a car ferry.
Oh, is that a car ferry?
That's a car ferry.
Oh, okay. Oh, so they might be going to Fisher Island. They might be going to one of the other islands. Who knows? But this is South Beach that we're coming up on now. Because Miami is way down there. And then we have South Beach, Miami Beach. With all the yachts and the very expensive cargo. This is where P. Diddy lives. Around here somewhere, I think. If he doesn't live on one of the islands. It's very pretty at night. It's about 6 o'clock at night in November, so it gets dark early. There's the ocean. That's our boat. Okay, so we are really turning the point of South Beach, and there are all the South Beach mansions, all up and down. And I don't know if you can hear it in here, but they are partying down there. You can hear it there. People on the shore. There's a party going